Hi everyone, welcome to Code and Crack. In this video, I am going to cover uh, most asked Spring Boot question. Starting with question 1. What is the primary purpose of Spring Boot? Options are simplify Spring setup, replace Spring MVC, build mobile app, replace Hibernate. Answer is simplify Spring setup. Question 2. Which annotations start a Spring Boot application? Options are @Spring Boot application, @enable app, @boot start, @main config. Option is @Spring Boot application. Question 3. Which file stores application configuration? Option is application.properties, boot.json, config.xml, settings.yml. Answer is application.properties. Question number 4. What is the default embedded server in Spring Boot? Options are Jetty, option B Tomcat, option C Netty, option D Undertow. Correct answer is Tomcat. Starting with question number 5. What is the default port for Spring Boot web apps? Options are 8080, option B 80, option C 3000, option D 9090. Correct answer is 8080. Moving to question number 6. Which annotation is used to create a REST controller? Options are A @REST controller, option B @service, option C @controller, option D web rest. Correct answer is @REST controller. Question number 7. Which dependency is used for building REST APIs? Option A Spring Boot Starter Web, option B Spring Boot Starter Test, option C Spring Boot Starter AOP, option D Spring Boot Starter Mail. Correct answer is Spring Boot Starter Web. Moving to question number 8. What does @AutoWire do? Option A. Perform dependency injection. Option B. Creates object. Option C. Handles exceptions. Option D. Starts application. Correct answer is perform dependency injection. Moving to question number 9. Which annotations create a Spring Bean? Options are @bean, @component, @service, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Moving to the next question. Which actuator endpoint shows application held? Options are actuator info, option B actuator beans, option C actuator held, option D actuator environment, ENV. Correct answer is actuator held. Moving to next question. Which annotations handle global exceptions? Option A @controller advice, option B @exception, option C @rest error, option D handles error. Correct answer is controller advice. Moving to next question. Which annotation map get request? Options are @get mapping, @post mapping, @request mapping, @map get. Correct answer is @get mapping. Moving to next question. Which logging framework is default in Spring Boot? Options are log4j, option B logback, option C slf4j, option D java.util.logging. Correct answer is logback. Question 14. Which file supports YAML configuration? Option A application.yml, option B app.yml, option C boot.yml, option D setting.yml. Answer is application.yml. Question number 15. Which annotation mark a JPA entity? Option A @entity, option B @table, option C @model, option D @poso. Option is @entity. Moving to next question. Which annotation enable JPA repositories? Option A, enable JPA repositories. Option B, repository. Option C, entity scan. Option D, JPA repo. Correct answer is enable JPA repositories. Question number 17. Which dependency is for database operations? Option A, Spring Boot Starter JPA. Option B, Spring Boot Starter Web. Is Option C, Spring Boot Starter Test. Option D, Spring Boot Starter Security. Correct answer is Spring Boot Starter JPA. Moving to question number 18. Which annotation is used for scheduled task? Option A, scheduled. Option B, task. Option C, run every. Option D, interval. Correct answer is scheduled. Moving to next question. Which annotation is used for security configuration? Option A, enable web security. Option B, secure. Option C, authentication. Option D, enable security config. Correct answer is enable web security. Question number 20. What does Spring Boot Dev Tool provide? Option A, hot reload. Option B, database support. Option C, custom logging. Option D, job scheduling. Answer is hot reload. Question number 21. Which starter adds Spring Boot Actuator? Option A, Spring Boot Starter Actuator. Option B, Spring Boot Starter Admin. Option C, Spring Boot Actuator Core. Option D, Spring Actuator Web. Correct answer is Spring Boot Starter Actuator. Moving to question number 22. Which annotation is used for cross-origin support? Option A, cross origin. Option B, course. Option C, allow origin. Option D, course mapping. Answer is cross origin. Moving to question number 23. Which annotation inject value from properties? Option A, value. Option B, property. Option C, inject value. Option D, config value. Answer is value. Moving to question number 24. Which module support reactive programming? Option A, Spring Web Flux. Option B, Spring MVC. Option C, Spring JDBC. Option D, Spring ORM. Correct answer is Spring Web Flux. Moving to question number 25. Which annotation defines application configuration class? Options are configuration. Option B, config class. Config Spring config. Option D, boot config. Correct answer is configuration. Before moving to the next question, if you learned something new here, drop a comment, code and crack in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Moving to next question, which annotation combines configuration, enable auto configuration, and component scan? Options are boot config, spring boot application, spring config. Option D, enable spring. Answer is spring boot application. Moving to next question. Which command starts a spring boot jar application? Options are A, root, run boot jar, boot start. Option C, java-jar app.jar. Option D, mvn boot -run. Correct answer is java-jar app.jar. Question 28. Which file is used to override default Spring Boot banner? Options are banner.txt, bootbanner.txt, option C startup.txt, option D appbanner.txt. Correct answer is banner.txt. Question 29. Which annotation is used to handle post request? Option A get mapping, option B post mapping, option C request post, option D submit. Correct answer is post mapping. Moving to next question, question 30. Spring Boot uses which design principle for configuration? Option A, annotation over XML. Option B, code over config. Option C, convention over configuration. Option D, plugin based architecture. Correct answer is convention over configuration. Moving to next question, question number 31. Which tool is used for Spring Boot application monitoring? Option A, Actuator. Option B, Admin Dashboard. Option C, Boot Monitor. Option D, Metrics Panel. Correct answer is Actuator. Moving to next question. Which annotation validate request body input? Option A, @valid. Option B, @validate. Option C, @check. Option D, @verified. Correct answer is @valid. Moving to next question. Which starter is required for time-leaf template engine? Option A, Spring Boot starter UI. Option B, Spring Boot starter time-leaf. Option C, Spring Boot starter web MVC. Option D, Spring Boot starter view. Correct answer is Spring Boot starter time-leaf. Moving to next question. What does @request param do? Option A, map URL path. Option B, map query from query or form parameters. Option C, map JSON body. Option D, map cookies. Correct answer is map query or form parameters. Moving to next question. Which annotation is used for scheduling multiple tasks? Option A, multi-schedule. Option B, enable scheduling. Option C, enable async task. Option D, run task. Correct answer is enable scheduling. Moving to next question. Which dependency is used for unit testing? Option A, Spring Boot starter web. Option B, Spring Boot starter test. Option C, Spring Boot starter data. Option D, Spring test suite. Correct answer is Spring Boot starter test. Moving to next question. Which annotation defines path for REST endpoints? Option A, map path. Option B, web mapping. Option C, request mapping. Option D, controller path. Correct answer is request mapping. Moving to next question. What is the default logging label in Spring Boot? Option A, debug. Option B, info. Option C, trace. Option D, warn. Correct answer is option B, info. Moving to next question. Which annotation marks a class as a service layer component? Option A, component. Option B, bean. Option C, service. Option D, logic. Correct answer is service. Which property changes server port? Option A, server.http.port. Option B, spring.port. Option C, server.port. Option D, apps.server.port. Correct answer is server.port. Question number 41. Which annotation enables asynchronous execution? Option A, @async. Option B, @async Option C, @enable async. Option D, @async config. Correct answer is @async. Moving to next question. Which module supports security? Option A, Spring Secure. Option B, Spring Boot Starter Security. Option C, Spring Boot Starter Auth. Option D, Spring Starter Login. Correct answer is Spring Boot Starter Security. Moving to next question. Question number 43. Which annotation is used for path variables? Option A, @queryWhere. Option B, @param. Option C, @URL param. Option D, path variable. Correct answer is path variable. Moving to next question. What does application.properties override? Option A, Java code. Option B, default auto config. Option C, controller mapping. Option D, JPA queries. Correct answer is default auto config. Moving to next question. Which dependency is required for web flux? Option A, Spring Boot Starter Reactive. Option B, Spring Boot Starter Web. Option C, Spring Boot Starter with Flux. Option D, Spring Reactive Core. Correct answer is Spring Boot Starter with Flux. Moving to next question. Which annotation loads SQL data at startup? Option A, @SQL. Option B, @load data. Option C, @SQL config. Option D, @SQL. Correct answer is @SQL. Moving to next question. Which annotation generates constructor in Lombok? Option A, @constructor. Option B, @auto constructor. Option C, @required args constructor. Option D, @gen constructor. Correct answer is @required args constructor. Moving to next question. What does auto configuration check before applying? Option A, classes on class path. Option B, network status. Option C, REST endpoint count. Option D, database type only. Correct answer is classes on class path. Moving to next question. Which annotation indicates a repository? Option A, repository. Option B, DB repo. Option C, stored. Option D, data layer. Correct answer is repository. Moving to next question. Which property logs SQL query? Option A, jpa.show query, true. Logging ipa.sql is equal to true. Option C, spring.jpa.show SQL, true. Option D, spring.logging.sql is equal to true. Correct answer is spring.jpa.show-sql, true. If you learned something new here, drop a comment, code and crack in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.